Hey guys, Charlie, thanks for joining the channel. Really excited to show you this bike today. I'll actually post right now a picture of the before picture. The bike was originally all blacked out with the bigger tank. I believe the prior owner used it mostly for like going to the sand, desert riding, whatever. And so this one, we literally had to go soup to nuts on the whole bike and start from the frame, tear down, and start fresh again. Been a blast doing this bike. A lot of key people that have helped me out a lot in parts. PGD Designs, Paul. You'll probably hear his name often with me. He's local here, raced with him and against him. He helped me out with the whole build. And we'll just go through the bike and let me know what you guys think. Any questions though, comments, feel free to post below and I'll be able to answer for you. But we tore the bike down to the frame. Frame was in really good shape. So just had it repowder coated. We did an aluminum tank. Because we got rid of that oversized tank that was black, and instead of trying to find a stock tank or a Clark tank, we just thought, hey, this is a good time to do an aluminum tank. The bike, I should tell you, that's based off of a Jobe racer, professional racer in the day. This is what his bike looked like in 1992. This is a 1992 CR500, and he races CR500 for Peak Honda in 1992 at the USGP. So we emulated all the graphics and everything. The seat plastic came from Anthony Moore. If you guys are in the EVO CR, Anthony's the man out of Florida. Thanks, Anthony, for getting plastic and things like that. Graphics made, seat covers. This came out so nice. I have a 97 that sits right next to it that I actually ride. And that one's all whited out and looks sick, but I love this so much that Anthony's doing a seat and trying to find me plastic because he ran out of all the blue plastic. They're super rare to find. So we're trying to do all new plastic and everything, make that bike that I could ride. This bike will literally sit in my collection and not get ridden. Kaplan America, if you're out there, he does have a bike like this. I don't know if it's a 92. They did a really good job on the bike. He has it for sale. I think they posted it on eBay for $15,000. I'm not sure if it's sold. So if you're looking for a bike that's complete already, they do great work. Take a look at their bike. I think 15 grand is a really fair price, just because I don't even want to tell you how much I have in this bike. But we'll go through everything. It's probably at least $12,000 that I have into the bike. But for 15 grand, I wouldn't even consider selling this for 15 grand, to be honest. But it's probably a good deal for you. So going back to powder coat, we did even the pegs, tank, frame, powder coat. The plastic, like I said, came from Anthony Moore in the seat. So we did new seat foam, new seat cover, gripper seat, which is amazing. I went with the CR high bars. We had the forks rebuilt, just a basic stock rebuild, new seals. The engine, we took it apart. It needed a lot of work. So Ryan at Factory Edge did all the motor rebuild. So we pretty much replaced everything in the motor. We put on from Italy these motor covers, which are pretty cool. The Pro Circuit pipe. This is an FMF silencer. I can't find a Pro Circuit silencer yet, so we just are sticking with the FMF for now. We had all the nut and bolts redone. We have the original wheels. They were not in great shape, so I'm a big gold rim guy for the older bikes. So even though George Jobe did not have gold rims in 92, I'm like, let's just do the blue hubs and gold rims. It's just a little personal touch of mine that I love to do, and I think they came out great with the black nipples. Super cool. Just really good little touch. The calipers have been rebuilt. What else? What else do we do to the bike? That's pretty much it. But bike hasn't even had fuel in it since the rebuild. It's going to stay that way. We didn't even put radiator fluid or anything. It just has some oil in the motor, and that's it. So I guess when I get the 97 done and riding, we'll do a day at the track with that and do a review on the 97 bike. The 97 bike has a little bit better forks, as you guys know. Between 92 and 2001 for the Honda CR, they really didn't change much. I think 97 to 2001 has the better front forks, and maybe they did some other minor differences, but other than that, they're pretty much the same bike. Oh, funny thing too, when we're doing the wheels, I was gonna put my 97 wheels on this, and the 97 wheels wouldn't fit the 92 bike. So just something for you guys to know too. So there are some minor changes with those 2 years. Any questions, comments, post below, and thanks for watching.